Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The question in here is about find the value of AC. We have two circles in here. The first one is about R equal to number 1 and the second one is about R equal to number 4. So I will show you the technique how to find the value AC. First, we know that we have two centers in here. We connect together because two circles they have intersection in here, and we know that this one is about number 1, this one is about number 4, so the length in here is about number 5. Next, we have this one because this small circle intersect with the length AC, and then we draw the straight line in here. We know that the radius is about number 4, so from A to this center is about 4. From this center to here is about number 1. So we can calculate this length in here is about 4 minus 1 is about 3. We know that this small triangle in here is about right triangle because the length in here is parallel with AC, and we know that this angle is about 90 degrees. So when we do about parallel lines in here, the angle of this one it should be about 90 degrees. So we can apply the formula to find this angle in here. So that should be about cosine alpha is about 3/5. So we can find the value of alpha is about arc cosine 3/5. Next, if we want to find this angle in here, we just use about 180 degrees minus alpha, and alpha that should be about this one. Next, from this center we connect to point P, and we know that this center in here to P is about 4. So we want to find the length from here to P. We can apply this formula. So we call this point here is about O. So we want to find the value OP, and that should be equals to the square root of this point here. I could go G. So from GO square plus GB square minus 2 multiplied with GO GB, and we have cosine 180 minus alpha we input all the number in here, and you got about the square root of 65. Next, we know that from O to this length CP this radius in here is about a right angle, so we have the length is OB is about the square root of 65. If we want to find this angle in here, we can use about cosine beta no, we use about sine beta. That's about 1 over the square root of 65. So we got about beta equal to arc sine of 1 over the square root of 65. Now let's go to this triangle OGP. We want to find this angle in here. I call it about gamma. So we will apply the angle cosine gamma equals to, we need to divide 2 multiply with G of GP on numerator. We got about OP square. Oh no, that's not G. That should be about GP multiplied with OB. So on numerator, we need to have about OB square plus GP square minus OG square. So we input the number in here and we got about cosine gamma. We got about 7 multiplied with the square root of 65 over 65. So we got about gamma equal to cosine of 7 multiplied with the square root of 65 over 65. So we just calculate about beta and gamma. So we have the right triangle in here. To find the value AC, we can use about tan. That should be about tan of beta plus gamma equals to AC over AB. So we know that AB is about 4 plus 4 is about 8. Beta is from R sine of 1 over the square root of 65. Gamma is a form of cosine of 7 multiplied with the square root of 65 over 65. So we can find the AC equal to 8 multiplied with tan of 2 angle in here. And the value in here, you got about 6. Number 6 is a number we need to find in here. That's the end. Thank you for watching.